Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys for joining me in today's video. I'll be showing you how to make orange cake. To make this orange cake, you're going to need one large orange. Start by grating the orange zest. Once you've collected the zest from the orange, set this aside. Next, collect the juice from the same orange and set aside. This is 50 ml of orange juice. Next, break 2 eggs into a bowl. Add half cup of white granulated sugar to it. And mix this together and make sure it dissolves beautifully. Once the sugar has dissolved nicely, add in a 1/4 cup of sunflower oil. I'm using sunflower oil because of the flavor it adds to the cake. Mix this together to combine. Add in your orange juice. Bowl, combine 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and a 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. Mix this together to combine. By the way, the flour was sifted already. Always make sure to sift your flour to have a very smooth consistency. Now go in with the dried ingredients bit by bit and keep mixing. Once you have mixed and you have a smooth batter, go in with the orange zest. Now mix this together to combine. Since we're making orange cake, we're going to go in with few drops of orange food color. Now mix this, let this combine. You can add more if you want, depending on how bright you want it to appear. Everything is nicely combined here and you have your beautiful orange colored batter here. Next, go ahead and grease your pan. So I'm using a 22 by 11 by 6 centimeters loaf pan here. Now place your parchment paper at the base. Then pour in your orange cake batter. So once you have done that, tap the batter a few times to even it out and smoothen the top. Now pop this into the preheated oven and bake at 340 degrees Fahrenheit for 40 minutes. So guys, 40 minutes later, your orange cake should have been ready. So once you insert a toothpick in the middle and it comes out dry, it's done. You can leave it to rise for 10 minutes before cutting this. It's time to take our orange cake out of the pan. So guys, here is your orange cake. It's ready. It looks really soft and moist and it's so delicious. I hope you try this recipe out. If you like it, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to share this with your friends. And if you're new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell button just so that you don't miss any video. Until next time guys, enjoy your orange cake. Bye.